Hi everyone, this is Shirley from Automate Softech, Sedang Berhad. We are Autocount authorized dealer. So today I'm going to show how to operate this Autocount Pos system. I will start with the front end, then later on I will show the back end. Okay, this is a casual login screen. Of course, you can put your company logo, company names here, and then at the bottom right there is some shortcut button. Okay, so of course in daily tasks, right, you need to open counter, close counter. Okay, this is a must for the cashier. And then our screen here, right, looking at this screen, right, we are actually support all-in-one PC, which is the dual screen, something similar like what you can see right now in the market, which is in your 7-Eleven, right, you can see the dual screen computer, right, we name it all-in-one PC. For your customer viewing and the cashier viewing is different. Okay, so example here, if let's say you can use a touch screen as well, like you can set the speed menu bar here, you can put the logo and image, and then the cashier, right, can actually use a finger point to the touch screen. Okay, so from here right now, I'm going to use my PC to do a demo here. So for example, I'm going to sell an item, maybe item C. Maybe there is other item like my shoe. Okay, example here. Okay, you can hide the screen as well. And or of course you also can, if let's say retail, right, you got a lot of items, right, basically you can use your barcode scanner to scan the barcode. Okay, I can actually search from here as well. Item A. Okay, this is how we do this thing. Okay, from here, right, I didn't preset the price, right. Supposingly the backend need to preset the price. Okay, here if let's say I didn't set the price, right, basically if let's say you the cashier got the access right, they can update the price. Okay, here, so I can also press my F10, right, to give discount. Okay, example here, right, I can give a 10% discount for the selected item. Okay, this one, selected item. Of course, you can give a group discount as well. So from the top part here, right, we have promoter. We also can do credit sales and member as well. Okay, example, this one, if let's say I want to assign promoter, right, let's say this is not mandatory for you to assign promoter. I just show you there's additional features in Autocount Pos system. You can use or not to use. Okay, so here Bell is going to sell this thing, and then the member. Okay, you can add a new member here, or you can search an existing member. For example, I use Shirley. Okay, Shirley member. Today she come and purchase all of these things. So you can see from the screen, right? Here she have a available point with 1,525. So if let's say she success to purchase this one, right, which is total 139, she will get point earned with 139. This one you can preset at the back end. So which I already preset at 1 ringgit equal to 1 point. So later on redemption, right, you can also set redemption maybe 10 point equal to 1 ringgit. It is up to your setting. Okay, example here, I go and you can set member price as well lah, because this one I didn't set member price. If let's say it detected Shirley, this is under member, there is a member price right here. There is it reflected with the member price here. Okay, the payment, right, how are we going to do settlement? So once you use a barcode to scan the item, right, basically if there is no member, no promoter, right, you don't need to select, you just straight away go for the payment. Credit card or cash will do already. Okay, if let's say here today I want to demo complicated a bit. Okay, I want to use my point to do settlement and also plus together with maybe my cash. Okay, so I use the cash. I got 100 cash. I want to pay 100. Okay, then subsequently I want to use my point. Here you got the voucher, credit card, check. Of course, custom payment we also allow. Like the so-called custom payment, right? You can use all of this. It depends what is the payment types that you already engage with. Okay, we also support, right, payment gateway like IP88, some of the others lah. So I just show you one of the samples here. Okay, let's say I use a point, right? Remaining balance, use the point to deduct. So I will have this multi-payment, which is 100 paid by cash, 39 paid by point. And then here, right, since e-invoicing era, right, we also will allow user to straightaway print out the QR code at the bottom. So whoever require e-invoice, right, they can actually scan the QR and then fill up the information. Then Autocount will automatically send validated e-invoice to them if, let's say, the invoice already validated. Okay, so I click OK. So it will settle. Then it will send print to the printer, print out this thing with the QR code. Okay, this is how we do a settlement. Okay, I show other sample like the, okay, if let's say, here, right, at the bottom here, you can see, right, we have, I think I pull this thing. We have the clear transaction, find bill, hold bill, recall bill, right? If let's say I want to find bill today, the transactions, right, I can actually use a find bill. There's a one transaction, you can open up and have a look. Okay, this is find bill features. And then of course, we do have hold bill, recall bill. Okay, what is the hold bill? For example, like right now, your customer line up already, out of sudden, one of the item, she want to change other favor. Okay, so in order for us to smooth the queue, right, at the cashier counter, we will press hold bill and then let this potential customer, right, go and change the product. Then subsequently, when they come back, right, we just recall the bill back we do already. We no need to rekey in everything again. Okay, you can reprint the last bill and then cash in, cash out. When you need cash in and cash out, for example, non-relevant to purchase, non-relevant to this sales. So if let's say today I want to open the cash drawer to cash out some money because of repairing aircon maybe. Okay, so I can use this method. When I cash out, right, you need to put a reason why you want to cash out. For example, I want to cash out 10 ringgit because I want to exchange maybe. So it will trace, right, which cashier cash out, why. Okay, the remark I didn't put. Okay, maybe cash in back. Okay. You can type lah. I didn't has. Okay, maybe cash in back. I want to exchange small coin. Okay, this is how we do. And then we do have more functions like here. Okay, each of the line item actually you can put remark. For example, today she purchased, right? Maybe she say, tomorrow, 2 o'clock, I come and pick up this item. Okay, you can put some remark at the receipt. Okay, you can do all this kind of setting. And then the other thing is like you can put by the bill, right? Total bill discount. Okay, set the remark, key in the customer information. Okay, for the e-invoicing purposes. Then you can also have the, like this one, right? Just now I already explained because we already put out at the bottom. Find bill, hold bill, recall bill, reprint. Okay, of course we can collect deposit as well. Okay, then cash in, close counter is a daily operation or open counter, close counter. Okay, close counter will be something similar like this. Today you close counter, right? You need to calculate your cash drawer. Okay, how much of the cash you collect? Okay, you can use this way. Okay, how many pieces of 100, 50, 20 cent, 10 cent, 1 cent. Example, okay, debit card collection, voucher collection, e-wallet collection. And then you can check out for the terminal or for the cashier and then save. Then the Z report will print out. Okay, so from here, right, you can open cash drawer. Additional features, right? Autocount do provide additional features, which is all of your stuff at the retail, right? If let's say you don't have any time attendant machine, right, you basically can use this system to do clock in and clock out with the password. Okay, we will provide the reports as well when they clock in. Okay, this is example. So you can lock screen while cashier need to away from the counter, right? She actually can lock the screen, and then we can check the stock level here. Okay, find the item. So from here, you can check the stock balance as well. Okay, the system will show the stock balance. Then the reports, we have a variety of reports. So of course, the common use will be the cash receipt, daily sales report, and the post sales. This one most common use report Okay, and then you can retrieve the close counter report again from here. Okay, then beside all of this so-called sales listing or cash listing report, right? Basically, you can have some reports, analysis report. We name it management reports. Like example, you want to have a branch stock balance and then some dimensional analysis reports, right? You can get it from here. You see my item A, basically my HQ, right? We have the remaining balance with 963 looking at this screen, and then at JB, right, we have 7, but then online no more already. It's not supposed to be to have the negative lah. Okay, so here, if let's say all of the reports design and style and the information that pull out, right, you don't like. Okay, if let's say you screen through already all of the reports also you don't like, okay, you can use this one, dimensional reports. It is something similar like your pivot table. I'm not sure whether you got heard about what is a pivot table or not. For example, today, okay, boss wanted to know what is the hot selling item. Okay, then you can show it by maybe item description, because I don't know what is item code, maybe, if there's a case that I don't know. Okay, if let's say I wanted to know maybe by day, or cannot, because my date range is very long. I think I show you this first. So I inquiry. If you have something like this, pull out. I don't want to filter my member. Okay, so it will be something like this to pull out. Okay, today, day 1, how many quantity? If let's say I don't want to use a quarter, right? I don't want to use a quarter. I want to change. I want to use item code to be maybe I want to check my promoter sales, right? You can actually use the promoter name. You pull the promoter name here. Item code I don't need to know. Okay, promoter, and then I want to know their monthly sales maybe. So you can put it here. You see, you will able to know Bell, right? Under Bell, the total sales from January until the year end, right? How much? So you'll be managed to see total transaction, how many, and then the sales is how much. Okay, then the profit also, because I take from here already. So if I didn't take, it won't show. Okay, of course, also based on the user access right. Because right now I'm actually using admin user to log in. That's why I'm able to see the cost as well. So if you are not allowed to viewing the cost, right, this profit won't display up. It will display the total quantity and the sales amount only. Okay, so this one is Bell, sales, May, and then no promoter, the top part. Okay, so all of this report, right, you can actually preview and then export. Then we have promoter commission reports. You can see Bell transactions, how much of the commissions is supposed to get by this month. Okay, then you can check the payment analysis. Okay, this outlet, right, what kind of payment method that preferred by our customer. Okay, you can have a look from here. Sales collection, total sales collection is here, but then based on the pie chart here, right, so you will be able to see, okay, touch and go will be most preferable payment method. Okay, voucher, point. Yeah, you can view this thing. Okay, then of course you can see the credit card collection, cash collection. You see point redemption, debit card, credit card. Okay, and we also have some time analysis which can filter, right, what is the timing. We have a peak timing, which is a lot of customers come in and do payment. Then you can do some promotion when at the low season, low timing, low peak timing. Okay, then this will be the cashier part. Okay, on the cashier side, right, beside the report stock level, we can actually, this one based on the package that you purchase, we can actually remove to the HQ, which means remove to your back end to do maybe PO, purchase order, and then receive goods, Okay, you can create some new stock items. You can maintain new stock item. Okay, Then this one will be like a deposit. Right now you want to knock off, you can print the barcode here, price information. And then here it will be e-invoicing monitoring. You can check how many transactions you already submitted. Okay. From here, we can customize the button at the bottom here. You can actually drag and drop lah. From here, right, what kind of item that is common use by you. Then from here you select this one. Then you arrow to the left side. It will display at the bottom here. The screen at the bottom here. Okay. Then here you can change the skin color. You can change example. Okay. Then we can change the menu also. Okay. Menu actually suitable for F&B to use lah, but post rarely see this thing lah. Maybe you have seasonal products lah. Then you can change your menu lah. Okay. Then we have a weighing scale and then synchronization. Weighing scale is for the fresh market. If let's say your item right need to sell based on the weight, right? Then you can we will help you to integrate it with your weighing scale. And then here is a configuration. You can preset the so-called receipt layout, your running number, your invoice header, footer, and then the devices that connected, for example, like cash drawer, printer, your weighing scale, your your payment machine, credit card machine. Okay, if you have a customer display, you want to display, and then you want to display the advertisement in video, you can set it here. Okay, so this is the demo for the POS system front end. So I'm going to show you what about the back end. Okay, back end will be something like this. After you log in, right, you will have this thing. So you are managed to maintain all of your stock items here. The items that you're going to sell. Okay, example, just now I use item A, right? I remember item A, right? Okay, item A, you can see the quantity here. Okay, the item A itself, right? You can actually set the barcode here also. Okay, we will set it from here. You see, you can scan the barcode here. Okay, after you maintain here, right? When the cashier go and scan at the front end, it will display out the relevant item. Okay, you can set the price plan. Okay, then you can preset the selling price, standard selling price. Okay, from the stock, from the stock, right? This is maybe you can view our demo at Autocount accounting, because it is the back end side, right? It is more or less similar. You need to do purchase here, PO here, and then good receive, and then at the same time you key in your purchase invoice, it will flow into your posting to your ledger. Okay, so then at the same time your stock, right, will stock in already. Then your stock out will be to your from the POS system. So I show you the example of the stock balance reports here. So you can see, right, all of your item, what is the stock balance here. Okay, what is the stock balance of the item. Okay, then maybe because just now I success to close sales item A, right? Okay, you can check your item. How is the today? What is the quantity out stock? Okay. So you will manage to see the example. If let's say there is transactions, right, you will be able to see something like this. Okay. Something like this. Okay, there is a document type to differentiate whether it in or out stock from where. Example, this one is from DO, from your invoice, right? This kind of OS, right, is from the POS system. Actually, it will be real time to do deduction. Okay, so why Autocount it managed to show you the profit and loss report per transaction is because when the time you do purchase, right, you select the item, we already know what is your purchase price. Of course, the costing method, right, you can choose FIFO, LIFO, weighted average, fixed rate also no problem. Then subsequently, Autocount will calculate based on your costing method. Okay, from here, right, what is the how are we going to control our front end setting at the back end here? Okay, here we got the maintenance. We can set the cashier user. We can set our terminal. We have how many counters. Okay, we can do the terminal setting, promotion, price plan, okay, fast selection, and then those payment setting, right, it will be at the bottom here, voucher, e-invoicing, you can use the setting here. So the common use one, maybe I will show here, promotion. Okay, if let's say today I have a purchase with purchase promotion, right? Basically from here, I show, you can select based on the setting here, right? You just give the promotion naming, maybe back to school or whatsoever. Okay, the price itself, okay, if let's say you want to, what kind of prices you want to use, you can pre-route here and then you can select, right? This promotion and actually valid for our member only, or only dedicated outlet, or everybody, okay? Or apply to everybody. If you looking at my system, my setting here, right? My screen here, right? It is available for everybody every day, okay? So of course, you can preset lah. For example, like, I want to have no more brew Monday. No more Monday brew. Okay, this one. I just give the promotion on Monday. So you can untick this one. It applicable to every Monday only. So you can preset this thing. And then on top of this, right, you can select which item you want to give a special promotion, or you based on the group. Maybe this kind of group, all of the item belongs under this item group, right? I want to have a 20%. Okay, you can preset this thing. Or the other common use is like purchase with purchase. Maybe you can have like, maybe the amount reach how much, or the item quantity reach how many, right? So you can choose the item below with maybe special price or free. It's up to you. Free, then you just put FOC lor. If let's say none free, right, you put on how much discount, maybe 50%. Then from the listing here, right, you only allowed to purchase one. Or no, unlimited, then you untick this. Okay? So you can do some mix and match, like McDonald's, A plus B equal to how much. Okay? We can do this kind of setting. Talking about the pricing right here, so we do have like a price plan. You can do the price plan setup here. Okay, all of the item, right? Today, let's say I want to increase the price under the JB branch only. So you can preset here. Then it will based on the price plan here to run. Okay, then the other way to set the price, right? You can also have a member price here. You can preset which item. Or no, I don't want to select item. Okay, you just select, I want this category of member, right? All of this category of member having this price. Then you just set the whole item listing here, the price. Okay. Then the other thing is the menu, right? The menu setup just now. You can see I actually doing the menu design here. You can put the photo and the image of the item here, and then it actually will pull out, okay, accordingly. You can do this thing, set up right here. You can load the image. Okay, I didn't load any image. If you load the image, it will display image at your touchscreen. Okay, then the other thing is the things that I want to show is promoter. Okay, just now I maintained the promoter already, right? Bell and May. Okay, Bell and May using the commission 5 example. Okay, if let's say they are using the commission 5, it is optional for you to maintain all of this. Of course, you can preset lah. So you can see the analysis, right? For this promoter, how much she is going to earn. So for example, like this promoter Bell, right? Under the Bell, all of the transaction listing will be displayed, and then she managed to get 6 ringgit 95 cents based on the total sales of 139. Okay, then you can see the report, viewing the report here. This report basically you also can viewing from the front end just now. It's a similar reports. Okay, analysis report just now, right? You see, payment and receipts, multi-dimensional is the pivot table that I mentioned just now. And then you can do the setting here. Then the rest will be the setting like synchronization setting. Okay, we can change the code lah. And then we can import the price brand ingredient. Then talking about the member, last part will be member. Okay, we can have our member. Then from here, right, I can actually view the member point listing. Okay, you can see Shirley. She just utilized 39 point. You see, she utilized. Okay, you'll be able to see this thing. Utilize the point already. So right now she have 1,490 cents only. If let's say I want view the transactions, right? Let's say I want to view more. Example, what happened to this Shirley? So you can actually view in from here. She collect the point, then she redeem. Why just now the 100 don't have the point redemption? Because my setting, right, once she, if let's say the payment method, she go and use the point to do redemption already, right, that transaction not count in, not able to count to earn point. Okay, why? Because I have a setting here. I did a setting here. Okay, you can actually change the setting from here, the member point, right? I calculate based on the document amount. Okay, every $1 will be 1 point. And then I'll think, you see, I take this thing already, exclude the point received if there's a point payment. If you didn't take this one, right, just now the transaction will count in. Okay, you can see this thing. The setting is up to you. Okay, that's all for my demo. Hope you like it.